Reports say twisters down trees and power lines in Arkansas, leaving thousands without power. Forecasters warned that tornadoes and heavy storms could damage several southeast states. A tornado tore into an area 70 miles south of state capital Little Rock around 8 p.m., damaging houses, trees, and power lines as it moved. Reports say the potential for severe storms could stretch from the Gulf of Mexico in Mississippi to southern India and Ohio, according to weather reports. Breaking Internet Radio News. Arkansas tornado. Storm leaves thousands without power. You hear it here first. Internet Radio Blog.